We start with making a slip knot and chain 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. To start the half double crochet, we yarn over and go to the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. Put the needle through, yarn over, pull through. We're going to yarn over and pull through the 3 loops. So yarn over, 1, 2, 3. And this is our first half double crochet. I'll show again. We yarn over through the chain, pull through your 3 loops. We're going to yarn over and pull through the 1, 2, 3 loops. So now we have 2 half double crochets. So yarn over through the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, 1, 2, 3. There we have it. The half double crochet. There we have it, that's it. Now you know how to do the half double crochet stitch. So good luck with your projects and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.